Have you been looking for how you can make 400,000 naira monthly from the comfort of your home? When I mean 400,000 naira, I mean 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, 400,000 naira monthly from the comfort of your home. This business model is actually the type of the one I'll be sharing a website with you. And this website is a website where you have to go and sign up and you start making your money. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Travelstart. This is Kemi of Travelstart. If you're seeing our video for the first time, we do upload videos about how you can upscale your financial life, make more money online, and live a good life. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do want to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. And if you're a returning subscriber, we love you. So in this video today, I'll be sharing with you a legit website that is actually based in Nigeria and different parts of the world. Now, this particular website, you can sign up and work from anywhere you are in the world. You can make as high as 400,000 naira monthly from the comfort of your home just by doing a few things on this particular website. Now, you don't need to be a tech savvy or a digital individual to be able to sign up on this particular website, simply because I know that I have a lot of bloggers on this channel. So I am bringing out this to you so that you can make money with your skill. You understand? I am bringing this out for you so that you can make money with your skill. Whether you are a writer, whether you are someone who makes money online, or you're just someone that is looking for how you can make money online. Now, this particular website will pay you 400,000 naira. Not only 400,000 naira, you will still have a lot of other things that you can enjoy from simply doing simple things on this website. You understand? Now, this particular business model is the type that a lot of you know, but a lot of you do not pay a lot of attention to it. Like, you don't pay attention to this particular business model because you feel it is not for you. But with the current situation of Nigeria and how people are traveling, they're just jackpotting because of insecurity, because of one thing or the other, poverty and all those things. A lot of people are leaving Nigeria. A lot of people are traveling by flight because of security and all of that. And now I'm bringing to you how you can leverage on that and start making money ASAP. You leverage on that and you'll be able to make up to like 400,000 naira from this particular website I am about to share. Now, I will leave the link to this website in the comment section, because if I leave it in the description section, not everyone will get access to it, but I'll leave it in the comment section. You understand? Now, there are a lot of things that you can get on this particular website. The website is called Travelstart, travelstart.com. Now, all you have to do on this website is to share your link with someone that wants to book a flight or someone that wants to travel out. You understand? If your entire family wants to jackpot, you can use Travelstart. If your entire generation wants to jackpot, you can use Travelstart and get money in return. You understand? You don't just book a flight and travel like that without making any commission. You understand? If you are the type that you have a lot of individuals around, a lot of big men, ladies around that travel from one place to another with flights, please leverage on this particular website that I'm about to share with you. Leverage on it and start making money ASAP. All you have to do is to sign up on their website, take their affiliate link. You understand? Now, a lot of companies will claim that they will pay you this, they will pay you that to sign up with them. This particular website is legit. Now, the Travelstart, don't get me wrong. You know, a lot of people will say, no, someone wants to travel now. They want to use Qatar Airways. They want to use all those kind of things. They have them under the Travelstart. You understand? You can book using another means, maybe Qatar Airways or any other airways that you want to book in their website. So it doesn't matter whether you have a plan of using this particular means of flight or traveling. You understand? Now, there are a lot of benefits to actually sharing your website with these particular individuals. Please do not be ashamed of it. It is your hustle. You understand? There are lots of millionaires are here in Nigeria that are making money from just affiliate marketing, sharing their links. They are making thousands of naira. Now, if you don't know where you want to share this link, just go on Facebook, type in travel groups or flight groups. You understand? Join those groups and start sharing your affiliate link on those groups. Well, if you want to share your affiliate link on those groups, do not just go and paste your affiliate link. You can ask ChatGPT to write you an article on how you can book a flight safely, or write you an article on how traveling by flight is safer. You understand? Then you now put your link in between or around, somewhere around the article. You put your link there, then you post it. You just post a valuable content with your link to those Facebook groups. You understand? Now, anybody that puts a flight with your link, you get a commission. And there are a lot of things associated with this, a lot of benefits. You get no capital investment. This thing does not require you to invest any amount. There is no invest 10,000, get 20,000 naira in this thing. Not at all. It is just an easy way for you to calm down and do what and make your book cash online. If you like, be a bus driver, be an Uber driver, be a fish seller, be a conductor, be a farmer. These are simple, easy ways that you can make money that people will not share with you. Nobody will come and share their secret with you. But me, Kemi, of Self Hustle, I will do the research. I'll bring out the honey and I will come and share with you here. Because in this Nigeria or anywhere you are in the world, there is always need for you to make extra money to enable you to pay your bills. You understand? Another benefit is the fact that you get the back office support. So maybe someone books a flight or something like that, someone is having technical issues or something like that, you can always use your own back end to reach out to their support team to rectify that issue. Also, you get a tracking system. You understand? So anybody that signs up through your link, you get informed that someone has signed up through your link and someone has booked a flight through your link, and this is the commission you will receive for someone booking a flight with your link. You understand? The person who booked the flight with your link, you will be able to track if the booking was a successful booking or it was a cancelled booking. You understand? So you will be able to get your commission. You get. Also, you can do this on different platforms. You can go on LinkedIn, join a lot of collection groups on LinkedIn, or create a profile on LinkedIn and start marketing this link. You understand? If you don't want that, like I have said, you can use Facebook or leverage on Facebook as your big or as your touch point. Join groups, join communities, and start writing meaningful articles and inputting your link around there and uploading it. You can also join WhatsApp channels. You understand? There are WhatsApp channels or communities now that you can upload meaningful article that will actually be useful to individuals in the group. Now, please make sure that the group you are joining is related to something like travel, touring around the world, flights, and all those things, for you to write an article about it and do what? Put your link somewhere around the article and upload it. You understand? Now, the payment method, you can choose to receive your payment into your local bank account or into any bank account that you want to receive your payments into, especially if you are in Nigeria. You understand? Now, if you don't want to use your bank account, you can use Wise. Wise can receive payment, especially if you have international flights booked on that link. You understand? If you have international flights booked on that link, you can use TransferWise, you can use Payoneer to receive your payments from Travelstart. You understand? So with that being said, guys, if you are not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? If you are new to our channel, please do what, subscribe. If this is not useful to you and you know that you have someone that wants to make money online, please just click on the share and share this information with them, because you might not be willing to do the work it takes to start making 400,000 naira online, but someone else out there might be willing to do the work. Share this information so that people out there will be able to use this information and help themselves, especially for those that don't know that there's such thing that exists out there. With that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.